Welcome to the CINAHL Database Advanced Search video. This video will be covering some advanced search techniques, for example, subject headings, field codes, and truncation. To access the CINAHL database, log into MyDTCC, expand library, and select EBSCOhost. Select CINAHL Complete in the list of databases, and then click on Continue. To browse the CINAHL subject headings, select CINAHL subject headings in the green bar. The example I'm using is a search on diet therapy for diabetes. So I type in my main subject, which is diabetes, and click on Browse. After I select my main subject, I look at the subject headings that I'm interested in, and I'm specifically interested in diet therapy for diabetes, so I select diet therapy and then click on Search Database. You could select as many subject headings as you're interested in. The result is over 1,000 resources, and that is because I haven't applied any limits to my search. So I select Advanced Search, and I limit my results by full text, publication date, and peer review. By limiting my results, it narrowed it down to 16 resources. You can see the limits in the left-hand side. You can find a list of additional subject headings in the left-hand side of the search screen. You can also find additional subject headings by looking at the database record. So I look at the major subjects of this article, and I'm interested in specifically diabetes and nursing. So I select that in the list. And that search gives me over 1,000. And to limit my results, I can either limit them on the search screen in the left, or I could click on Advanced Search. Limiting my results by full text and publication date, I now have 63 results. Next, we're going to talk about searching by field codes. Select Advanced Search, and then select Field Codes. This gives you a list of all the different field codes you could search. So, for example, you could search by author, title, abstract, etc. For this example, I'm going to search for articles written by Ryan Price. So I type in the field code AU, the author's last name, comma, and the author's first name, and it found 11 results. Next, I'm specifically interested in articles that have diabetes nutrition in the title. I use the field code TI, type in the words that I'm interested, and select search, and it found 80 articles. Finally, we're going to discuss using truncation while searching. Truncation is where you add an asterisk to search words to include singular, plural, and other word variations. For example, I'm typing in the word mobile with the asterisk, and it finds articles with mobility, mobilization, mobile, and mobilize. Truncation saves you time. So instead of typing in therapy or therapies or therapeutics or therapists in parentheses, you could type in THERAP with an asterisk, and it will search all of those variations of that root. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please contact your campus library. Thank you.